Creating your first offer doesn't have to be difficult or time-consuming. Just follow these steps and you'll be on your way to success. First, click the Create Offer button to get started. In the Content tab, we'll focus on manual offers. Click the Select Product Manually button to add the products you want to offer to your shoppers. Scroll down to the Text section and add a title. This title won't be visible to your shoppers. It's just for you to keep track of your upsells. Now, change the offer text by deleting the default text and adding your own message to your shoppers. You can also change the button text to better fit your offer. Scroll down to the Display Options section for further customization. The offer title is automatically linked to the product page, but you can remove this link by checking the Remove Link to Product Page option if you prefer. Next, let's navigate to the Placement tab. Here, you can choose where the offer should appear on your store using the drop-down option selector. You have 3 options: the product page, cart page, and Ajax cart, which includes slider, pop-up, or drop-down cart. For this tutorial, we'll use the product page and the cart page. Now decide where on your store you want the offer to appear. The Display Conditions section lets you set rules for when a shopper sees the offer. Since we want this offer to show up for every shopper, we won't add any rules. Now, let's move to the Appearance tab. This is where you can customize the offer to match your website's theme. Feel free to read our help article or watch the video tutorial for guidance on this section. Then, there's the Advanced tab. This part requires some HTML and CSS knowledge. It's used to configure the app for non-supported themes. Here, you can modify the DOM selectors to decide where the offer appears on your store. You can also add custom CSS to further personalize the offer widget. If you need help in this area, don't hesitate to reach out to our customer support team. Once you've completed the setup, you can either save the offer as a draft or publish it. Saving it as a draft will keep it unpublished, while publishing it will make the offer go live immediately. And remember, if you have any questions or need assistance, our support team is always here to help.